India's 2025 union budget had a lot in store for gig workers. In a first, the government will be providing them with identity cards, paving way for their formal recognition. The move will benefit 1 crore or 10 million workers. They will have to register on the eShram portal, which is the database for unorganized workers and will help in implementing social security services for them. The gig workers will also receive healthcare benefits under the PM Jan Arogya Yojana, which offers annual rupees 5 lakh insurance cover per family.
आज बतेरो लगे आते तो फील्ड पे काम कर रहे हैं, तो जिन पे अगर आप इस चीज़ को आगे बढ़ाते हैं तो सरकार जो गौर करेगी, तो हम जो फ़ायदा हो जाएगी हम जरूर लेंगे।
स्कीम सरकार की लगी और लोगों को इसका फ़ायदा मिलेगा। अच्छी स्कीम है।
In gig economy, companies hire independent workers for a short term. In India, delivery partners of food delivery platforms like Swiggy and Zomato and quick commerce firms like Zepto have been the most visible faces of the gig economy. The rise of digitization has made the gig economy a crucial sector. According to the Niti Aayog, the number of gig workers in India will rise from the current 10 million or 1 crore to 23.5 million or 2.35 crore by 2030. They are also expected to make up 4.1% of the country's total workforce by that year. Gig economy is also expected to contribute 1.25% to the GDP by 2030. But it also faces many challenges. Gig workers often battle long and grueling working hours and limited job security.
कुछ हमें भी ऐसा करा जाए कि 8-9 घंटे की ड्यूटी हो, जिससे हमें फ़ायदे मिले, हम अपनी फैमिली को भी टाइम दे पाए, जैसे और लोग अपनी ज़िंदगी जीते हैं। फील्ड का लगा हम इंसान अपनी ज़िंदगी इस तरह नहीं जी पाता, इस तरह जीना चाहते हैं उसको फैमिली के साथ।
The government's move to provide social security to gig workers has been met with praise. But now there are calls that platforms employing these workers should also ensure their well-being by regulating working hours and facilitating skill development. With camera person Vishwabandhu, this is Anu Kaushik reporting for the Economic Brief, DD India.